Hi guys, this is Wiz 711, and I'm sorry it's going up late, but it's going up, so be glad you get it. All right, so the unit title is Circular Arcs and Spirals. The objective is I can determine the locus of a given condition. Okay, so this chart is not going to be new to you because we've done this before, right? Okay, so the conditions are here. So you're gonna write the word conditions. I'm making the chart, you're making the chart. So the first condition is, say I give you a point. There's the point. The locus for this point is going to be all the points equal distance from that point. So let's say I want a locus of 4 units from the point. Then I'm gonna find a radius of 4. Okay? I'm gonna draw another radius, another one. So this circle represents the locus of points. Okay? Remember, locus have to be dash. So that's going to be our answer for number 1. Okay? Point. Let's do number 2, line. So given a line, that's the condition. The locus is going to be, so here's our line, draw it. I'm going to draw it bold. Remember, the object that you're given is bold. The locus should be dash. The locus is going to be 2 dashed lines parallel to the line given. Okay? And again, this distance here would be equal distance. So let's just call this distance x. And this distance here also x. Now what's cool is number 3. Number 3 starts with the condition of being given parallel lines. So here are 2 beautiful parallel lines. And the locus here is going to be actually a line between the 2, equal distance away. Again, notice it's dashed. Number 4 is going to be intersecting lines. So, if I make 2 intersecting lines, there's another line, and there's another one. The locus is going to be the lines that intersect those. So 2 lines intersecting. And I want to write here, because I drew lines that weren't north and south, here, this would be actually a north and south line. So if I draw these in, it's going to be our north line. That should be green. Our north line and our south line. And that's a lie. That's not north and this is north-south, and that's east-west. Yes, the north-south, east-west. And finally, the last one, number 5, is 2 points. Given 2 points, let me give you 2 points. Here, here. We've seen this one before. It's going to be the line between the 2 points. And there we go. So if you imagine that 2 points had a line, you're going to go in the actual, make a line that's perpendicular. So there we have it. Okay? So now let's take a look at your secret hot question that we're going to start with. And while you're waiting for this to clear notation, for me to go ahead, you don't have to pause the video. It's only going to take a minute. I'm going to slide down. Here we go. Whee, there we are. Let me zoom in a bit. And plus, and plus. There we go. All right. So here's our question. The length of AB is 3. Okay, so this is 3. And on the diagram below, sketch the points that are equal distance from AB. Okay, so we're going to sketch first the points that are equal distance from AB. So this is our step 1. Okay, remember, this is the secret hot question. So, all the points. Remember, this is a segment that could be a line. And I know that the locus is going to be 2 parallel lines for this one. Let me make that first. Okay, so I've got a locus of points that are equal distance from line AB. Okay? It says that these should actually be sketched to the points that are 2 inches from A. So now, they just want points that are 2 inches from point A. So now, if I think about just that one point, I'm thinking about another locus. Locus of a point. That's going to actually be a circle. And I'm going to ask myself as I extend my line a bit, where are both of these conditions being met? Both this condition 1 and this condition 2. You want to mark X's on the area where both conditions are happening at the same time. Okay? That's your secret hot question. How many locations are there where that happens? I want to know an actual number. Later.